Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Stiffy Johnson, right around West Virginia. Stiffy, we got you ready to go. Repaired the blown SWR bridge as well as the RT1 vinyls. Did our tune alignment to Shiva regulator. We did clean your channel selector. It could use replacing. It's still not real strong, but like I said, that's going to be a little bit pricier, and I think we're on a budget here. So let's just start with our power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Now set that at 3 watts all the way down, of course, and that's only if he ever decides to run an amp. If he's not running an amp, here's wide open. He can run it right there. It's 30 watts. Now let me show you average power swing. Hello. 75 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. 165 peak. All right, bud, we're gonna get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.